Welcome to all Group 1 service aspirants. TSAT prestigiously conducting guidance classes on prelims for the preparation of Group 1 services. Everyone knows it. There are 13 areas in the Group 1 service prelims. One of the area is logical reasoning, analytical reasoning and data interpretation. The same concept will be given as a fifth paper in the mains examination. So this is a very important, very useful to you to score in it. As you know it, nearly 510 posts is going to be filled. So means here 510 into 50, around 26,000 people will qualify for the mains examination, and more than 4 lakhs aspirants are going to write the examination. The most probably the competition is 1:20. So very important. So each minute, each question is very important for you, for your selection. So I hope everyone will start your preparation with a positive attitude. And here the very important thing for this competitive examination, speed and accuracy is very, very important. So here the name of this concept is a logical reasoning. So the logical reasoning means here for the essential thing required for this logical reasoning is presence of mind, keen observations. You have to observe it, the given information, the given question, very keen. So then you can find the correct option among the given 4 options. Correct? Okay. So here today we are going to discuss about the series. We have a letter series, number series, combination of letter and number series also. There are various kinds of series. I will discuss all these things. For this, the minimum basics required to you. So you should be very good in the various kinds of numbers like even numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers, perfect numbers, square numbers, cubic numbers, and also you should be very good in finding the cubes, squares, Fibonacci series, progression concept like arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. All these areas are very important to do the questions which are going to be asked in the series. Correct? So I will discuss it all one by one, and I will give the required conceptual information to you to get all the question answers which are going to be asked in the examination. And also I will discuss few questions which are asked in the previous examination. Clear? Okay. Now we will see. So here this question is x, y, y, x, y, xy is given. How we are going to do this kind of questions? So first you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 letters are here. When there are 16 letters, you can divide the 16 letters into two groups, like each one have 8 one method, and each group has 4 letters. So 16 you can divide it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now you can divide it into 3 groups, means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we will check it. If you write it as the first one is simply take both are x, all 4x ruled out. Yx is given, y, x, x, and this is x. Y followed by 4xx is not possible. So here, so it's given, say, if you take it as c, if you take it as x here, y, x, x, y, y, here y, x, y, 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 x, y, 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 x, x, y. So when you write it as, when you divide it, what is the common pattern you are observing? y x x y. Correct. This is a common pattern. You observe it. Y x x y, y x x y, y x x y. So it's very clear. So what are the letters in the position number means here? The first one is y, second one is y, third one is x, fourth one is x, and fifth one is y. So y y x x y is the answer. Y y x x y is answer, means option 3 is correct. So it's very important. So we have to, what you have to do, this kind of questions means here you have to first count the letters in the given series. There are 15, means you have to divide into as 5 groups, each one has 3, or 3 groups, each one has 5. There are 16, you can divide it into 4 groups, each one have 4, like you can get the answer. So this here for this question there are how many letters are here? 16. So you divide it into 4 groups. So now we observe the common pattern. Finally we find the answer. Clear? Okay. Now we will see the next question. So x y z z x x y x p x dash y x z p x y x z p x is given. Just what we have to do, count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Means there are 24 letters. So you can divide into 6 groups. Each one has 4. Or you can divide 4 groups. Each one has 6. So better here, now observe it. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a better thing. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now observe it. So here, what is the given information? X, Y, X. X, Y, X. So here you will come X, Y, X. Here X, Y, X. So it's very clear the term will be X, Y, X, Z, P, X. X, Y, X, Z, P, X. X, Y, X, Z, P, X. Correct? Okay. So like first you have to identify whether you are going to divide with all these 24 either 6 groups, each one has 4, or 4 groups, each one has 6. So each one has 6 means 4 groups is a good one here. For that reason, so here x, y, x, z, p, x is the common term among all this. So what is the answer here? We have x, p, z, x and x. Correct? X, P, Z, X, X is the answer. So option 1 is the correct answer. So like you can get the answer. Clear? So again, once again I am saying you have to count all the letters in the series and divide it into groups. Each group has the same number of letters. That's a very, very important. Clear? Okay. Now we will see one more. X, P, Y, P, Z, Y, P, Z, Y is that given. So you have to count. First what you have to do, you have to count the things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 letters are there. So which is the good for you? So divide it into 5 groups. Okay, divide it into 5 groups is a good thing, or divide it into 3 groups, each one has the same. So here the better to divide into 3 groups, each one have the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it is PZY. So better write to PZY. Here also PZY. Also the first letter is here X. So here also X. Correct? Okay. And okay, when you take it as you have to, so here only the second letter changes. Okay, second letter changes means you got it as ZX, correct? Okay, where is ZX? If you say it, for example, say it is Y, YZ, YZX, it is Y, it is Y. Now you can say XY, PZY, XY, PZY, XY, PZY. This is a common letter. XY, PZY is a common, correct? XY, PZY is. So now you can say the answer is Y, Z, X, Y, X, Y. So YZ, XY, Z, XY is the answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. So like for this, practice is very important. If you practice it, the speed, so within 20 seconds you have to answer this kind of questions, then only it is easy for you. Clear? Okay. Now we will see and more. So again is a given here. So you have to count the all the letters of it. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18. So you can divide this one as 3 groups, each one has 6. Correct? So I am taking reverse order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is very clear YXX, YXX. Then the term is already known. YXX, YYX. Correct? Y, so YYX. YXX, YYX. So means here clearly answer is Y, X, Y, Y, X. Means fourth one is the answer. Correct? Like you can get the answer. So in this series generally you have that kind of things. So what you have to do, the very simple thing and very important thing you have to do it. The first one you have to count all the letters in the series, then divide into groups, and each group has the same number of letters and they have the same pattern. That's the first kind. Now we will see the second one. Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, and next you have to find E, D, C. So here, so now you observe it, very simple thing is here, when you observe it here, EDC is the reverse order, correct? Means CDE, IJK, LMN, OPQ. So now what is CDE after that? ABCDE. Next FGH, correct? FGH. So FGH is a required term. So in reverse order, HGF is a reverse order. So HGF is a correct answer. So read the given series, observe the order arrangement. Order of arrangement also very important. So here the three letters as group and they are in the same order, means you have to follow the same. So HGF is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, we will check the next one. CMM, EVO, GQQ, KUU. So maybe you find this answer a very simple, correct? So the last 2 letters are same, MM. But here you see the next letter is E, means here one letter was jumped. Between C and E you have D. Between E and G you have G. So next one between G means you have to skip one letter. So after G you have H. Next one is I. So next is I simply. Okay. Now we will see the second and third letters. MM, KLM, N. N is one letter is skipped. OO, OP, P is skipped. QQ. So R, P, Q, R has to skip it. So R will be, then what is in P, Q, R, S? So ISS will be the answer. Correct? So like you have to see the logic behind it. That's the reason this kind of questions we call it as a logical reasoning. Clear? We will check the another one. ELFA, GLHA, ILJA and ML and A. When if you observe it, ELFA, GLHA, ILJA means here. So here very clear, LA, these two, second and fourth are same. When you consider these letters, 4 positions are now. Second and fourth are same. So the LA. Next, if you see that first and third, EF first one, GH, IJ, KL, correct, MN. So which is missed? KL is missed here. K will be third, second, first one. L will be third position. So means KLLA is the answer. Means simply option 4 is the correct answer. So like you have to identify the things here. So what is the key factor here? The second and fourth letters are positions are same. Only first and third positions are different. So and they are in order. So that's a very important. Clear? Okay. Now we'll check the next one. So those are the few questions which are collected from the previous examinations, and also by considering the coming examinations also I will discuss the questions on the letter series. Now we are going to shift for the number series. So now number series, now see the numbers here. So here the numbers all are followed with one kind of pattern, means here alternate numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, alternate numbers, they are increased by 1. Now second, when you consider second one is 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, increased by odd numbers, means 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27. In this manner they are increased. Clear? So in number series, so there are so many kinds of number series questions. I will discuss all the number series questions. Definitely that helps you to understand the concept. Now observe it. So there are various types of number of series questions are there. Number series questions are here. One is based on addition. Second one is based on subtraction. Third one is based on multiplication. Fourth one is based on division. Fifth one is based on squares. Sixth one based on cubes. Seventh one based on Fibonacci series. Eighth one based on alternating series. Ninth one based on mixed operations. And 10th one based on arrangement of numbers. So now we will discuss each and every one question, then you can understand easily. So the first one is based on addition, means here the series will go on by using the property of addition. Okay, now we will see 3, 6, 11, 18, 29, 42, which one will comes and 78. So now if you observe it, so 3 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 11 is 19, 29, 29 plus 13, 42, 42 next odd number 15, means 42 plus 15 means 57 should becomes, correct? Okay. Next, so when it is when the next one is 15, this okay, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So you can't take 15. What is the reason here? All are increased by prime numbers. So after 13 you have to take it as 17. 13 plus here, so 42 plus 17, 59. 59, next one is 19. 59 plus 19 is 78. So the series is correct. So it is, so what is the required answer here? 59. Are you understand here? So this is based on addition. So the series is increased by addition. But so here the how it is increased with respect to the prime numbers, means here 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is a very important. So you have to understand, so the question is based on addition and you have to recall the prime numbers also. This is the most important. So that's the reason, if you want to do this kind of question, you have to know about the prime numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, square numbers, cubic numbers, twin prime numbers, relatively prime numbers, perfect numbers. All these numbers you have to aware about all this, then only you can answer in a very quick manner. And after addition, the next one is subtraction. We will see the question based on subtraction. Means here 50, 45. So 50 minus 45, sorry, 50 minus 45 is 5, or 50 minus 5 is 45. 45 minus 5 is 40. 40 minus 5 is 35. 35 minus 5 is 30. 30 minus 5 is 25. And 25 minus 25 is 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. So what is the required answer here? 25 is the required answer. So like you can, this is based on subtraction. So maybe don't feel the, so all are very simple because I am explaining the basics. By using these basics, the few questions will come in these numbers is, then those questions observe it. All these operations, all these techniques, principles may be used in that question. Okay. After subtraction, we are going to discuss about multiplication. Okay. So now this is based on multiplications here. 5, 11, 24, 2, 53.24, 257.6816. So means here definitely so the question was given as a multiplication. Maybe you feel that it's easy, but so first 11 and 15, most of you tried for subtraction or addition, then say. So 5 into 2.2 is 11. 11 of 2.2 is 24.2. And 24.2 into 2.2 is 53.24. So now you have to calculate 53.24 multiply with 2.2. 8, 4, 6, 10. 8, 12, 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 7, 1. Means it is simply, what is the answer here? 117.128. So the answer is 117.2128 is the answer. When you multiply the 2.2, we'll get it as 257.6816. Clear? So answer is 117.128. So here the multiplier is 2.2. That's very important. Clear? So practice is very important. Now we'll see with the division. 4096, 1024, 256, 64, and what is the next number? And the last one is of course 4. It's a very clear. So is a division with 4. 4096 by 4 is 1024. 1024 divided with 4 is 256. 256 is divided with 4 is 64. When 64 divided with 4, 16. When 16 divided with 4 is 4. So what you will get it as 4096, 1024, 256, 64. The missing number is 16. 16 is the answer. So like you can calculate. So this question, this series based on division. division of the series. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Based on squares. So this question is based on squares. 4, 9, 25, 49, 121, 169, 289. What is the next number? Correct? Okay. So based on squares here. The first one is, so we can say, okay, 9, you can say it is 2 square, correct? Maybe 3 square. Next one is 5 square. Next one is 7 square. Next one is 11 square. Next one is 13 square. Next one is 17 square. So what is the next one? 19 square. Next one is 23 square. All are prime numbers, squares of primes. Squares of prime numbers. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 11 square is 121, 13 square is 169, 17 square is 289. So the required number is 19 square, which is 361. So 361 is the answer. And the next one 23 square, which is 529. Clear? So like the questions comes based on squares. Now we will check the next one. 864, 216,000 based on cubes. Very clear, very simple. If you know it very simply, you can say it. 2 cube is 8. Okay. 4 cube is 64. Correct? 6 cube is 216. So 8 cube is, what is 8 cube? 512. And 10 cube is 1000. So means here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 all are even numbers and it cubes. So 2 cube 8, 4 cube is 64, 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 512. So 10 cube is 1000. So the required one is 8 cube, which is 512. So answer is 512. Clear? Okay. Now we will see the next one. That is 12, 13, 25, 38, 101, 165. This Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series here. Fibonacci series means simply what you call the Fibonacci series. So if you take it as a Fibonacci series means here, this will be generated. It's a, we could test 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, 8 plus 13 is 21. This is called Fibonacci series. So means here each number will be generated by sum of preceding 2 numbers. That's the method of generating a number in the Fibonacci series. Clear? Okay. Now you see it. 12 plus 13 is 25. 13 plus 25 is 38. So 25 plus 38, how much? 25 plus 30 is 63. Correct? So 63 plus 38 is 101. And 101 is plus 63. Oh, correct? Like you have to add this one. 25 plus 38 is 63. And 63 will be answer here. The 164 actually. So this is the 101. Here 63 is the answer. So this is called Fibonacci series. So you have to remember the Fibonacci. Fibonacci series means here. So in this series, every number will be generated by the sum of its preceding 2 numbers. Clear? In this manner, generally the Fibonacci series question will come. Now we will check 2, 29, 4, 25, 6, 8, 27. Alternate series actually. This is a alternate, we call it as alternate series. So if you take it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 1 series among this. 2, 4, 6, 8, all this is a one series. 29, 25, okay, 21, 17 is another series. This one increased by 2 and this here decreased by 4. So what is the required answer now? 21 is the required answer. This is called alternate series. Means so there are combination of two series here. One is increasing by 2 units, other one is decreased by 4 units. Both are mixed here. This is called alternating series. This is very important. You have to observe the series very carefully. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. Based on mixed operations. So based on mixed operation means here it is given 5, 7, 21 and 25. So when you take it as a, okay, it is 5. Next one 5 plus a 2 square minus 2 means 7. Correct? Okay, 7. Okay. Now if you take it as a next one, 3 square is 9 minus 2. Like you can add all those things here. Addition, subtraction will come to this series. Now coming to the next one. 7, 9, 8, 6, 10, 9, 5, 11. Now observe it here. Are you find anything in this question here? Now see it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct? One series. Okay. Next. 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct? Oh, here 3 series are here. First one here, we will consider the first one. So here 7, leaving that 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5. Next one is 4 will come. Okay, next after that, the next one will come. Second one is 9, 10, 11. Okay, 12 will come. Okay, next here 8, 9, 8, 9. Correct? Next 10. Next, this is a combination of answers. So 2 is the correct. Clear? Like you can get the answer. So just observe this question here. This is a combination of 2 series. That is 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 11, 4, 18, 5. Missing number is given. Correct? Okay. So I am taking alternate numbers. The alternate numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alternate numbers. Next one is second numbers alternately. Means 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Correct? 6 plus 5 is 11. Next, 11 plus 7 is 18. So means you are adding 3, 5, 7, 11. Correct? So in this manner you are going to add it. Means you are adding prime numbers. It is increased by prime numbers. So 3, 5, 7, 11. So 11 increase means 18 plus 11, which is 29. So after 5, which number will come? 29 will come. So this is a correct answer. So like you want. So this is a very important. You have to observe it very carefully to get the correct answer. Clear? Okay. Now here the following number series, only one number is wrong. Find out the wrong number. Which number is wrong? You have to identify here. Okay. Now verify it. 3, 12, 8, 19, 13, 32, 18, 42, 23 and 15. Which number is wrong? Okay. So you have to follow it. So 3, 12. So again you have to see series right here. I am taking 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Correct? Means alternate numbers. Means 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. Correct? Okay. Now I am taking the remaining numbers, means here 12, 19, 32, 42, 52. Correct? So if you observe it, the difference between 42 and 52 is 10. The difference between 42 and 32 is 10. So the 10 will be the same difference, means difference between 32 and the number will be 10, means instead of 90, if there should be 22, then the difference will be 10. Difference between 22 and 12 is 10. Is it clear? So if you want to follow the same pattern throughout the numbers, so which is the required one here? Instead of 19, there should be 22. So the wrong number in this is 19. Like you have to identify which number is wrong, because we have to follow the same rule among the total numbers. Clear? Okay. Now the following number series, only one number is wrong. Find out the wrong number here. You have to identify it. 10, 9, 16, 25, 26 and 49. So which number is wrong? Yeah. How we are going to identify it? 10, 9, 16, 25, 26 and 49. So if you take it as numbers 10, 16, 26 as one group, 9, 25, 49. Okay. So it's very clear. So when you take it as this number, what is the difference between 10 and 16? 6. What is the difference between these two is 10. Correct? Okay. But this is 3 square. This is 5 square. This is 7 square. So here the difference, here the number should be the same. Means the difference should be same here. So means 16 plus 6, it should be 22, but it is given as 26. This is a number. Like how to identify the wrong number in this series. Okay, next. Look at the series. It is a combination of letters and numbers. So F2, 2, 8, C 16, B 32 is given. Okay. F2 here. So now you have to write the, first you have to write the letters, means F, D, C, B. So means B, C, D, E required, correct? And the next numbers, this is 2, this is 8, is 16, 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. B and 32 one combination, C and 16 one combination, D and 8 is combination, F and 2 is a one combination. So the required combination is E4. So E4 is a correct answer. In this manner, you can calculate the required combination. Clear? Okay. Now here 664, 332, 340, 170 and given which number 89, what is the number should fill in the blank. This question is comments here. Okay. Now verify this is number 664. When you divide with 664, when you divide with 2, you will get 332. Correct? Okay. Next, 332 is added 8, becomes 340. When 340 divide with 2, 170. Next, when 170, you have to add. It is 178. Then 178 divide with 2, 89. Then 89 added 8, it is 97. So this is a pattern, means you have to divide with 2, then add 8. divide with 2, add 8. Now 664 divide with 2, you got 332. 332 added with 8, 340. 340 divided with 2, 170. 170 added with 8, 178. 178 divided with 2, 89. 89 divided 89 added with 8, 97. So this is a series. So what is the missing number? It's very clear, is 178. So option D is the correct answer. Correct? Okay. Now see, this is V7 is the Roman numbers, all this. If you know the Roman numbers, it's a very simple, you can get the answer directly by observation only. So here, this is V means here 5. This is 8. This one is 11. This is 14. Okay. And this one is 20. Correct? Okay. Means 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. So what is the required number here? 17 required. So if you want to write 17 in Roman numbers, so we have to write 1x is 10, 1v is 5, 1, 1. That is 17. Correct? So x, v, I. Option D is a correct one. Means here, so that's the reason this already I said, So you have to be aware about the various kinds of numbers. Means Roman numbers, binary digits, square numbers, perfect numbers, cubes, co-prime numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. If you have all this information, then it's very easy to do all these things. Then only it is, otherwise it seems to be difficult. The question is very simple, just it is increased by 3 units only, but you are able to identify those are Roman numbers. That's it. Clear? Okay. So this is a concept about the number system. I hope you understand the number system easily, number series also. So in the letter series and number series and letter number series combination, so this kind of questions comes in the examination. I hope so you will understand all these things in a proper manner. And once again, our number of times see this video, then you can come to a conclusion that what kind of questions will ask in the examination. Definitely that help you to get good marks in the examination. So thank you.